Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to use the new AI backdrop feature on Instagram. To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on your story from the top left corner to create a new Instagram story. You can take a new photo, or you can choose a photo from your gallery. Make sure your subject, such as your face, doesn't fill the entire screen to give the AI space to operate. Tap the AI button at the top of your screen. Now tap Get Started. The AI will initiate, displaying a sparkle grid, and then outline the subject in your photo. Now tap the Next button. Tapping this button will automatically remove your background, and pull up a text box for you where you can type your image prompt. You will also see some suggestions, from which you can choose the one you like. This feature officially rolled out in the US, it could take some time for updates to fully reach everyone's Instagram app. The AI will present two backdrop options. To get more options, tap the Reload button. Every time you tap Reload, you will get a new option. Now pick the one you like most. And then tap Next. Instagram will generate a prompt for you, to let your followers join in on the fun. If you don't want this, just long press on it. And drag to delete. And then finally, you can share your story. Your story has been updated. Check this out. So in this way, you can use the new AI backdrop feature on Instagram.